Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to stop others from downloading your TikTok videos on Android. Okay, so this is my Android device, so just find your TikTok app on your Android device. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my TikTok app. After finding that, just tap on this to open it, and after that you have to log into your TikTok account. You can see that I'm already logged in, and after that you have to tap on this icon at the bottom right. Okay, so let me tap on this me icon, and after that you have to tap on this three dots at the top right. So let me tap on this three dots at the top right. Okay, and here we have the privacy and settings screen opened. Okay, so here we have the account section. Under this you have to tap on this privacy and safety. So let me tap on this. Okay, so here we have the privacy and safety screen opened, and after that you have to scroll down, and under this safety here we have this allow download. Okay, so you can see that currently I have this enabled. That means anyone can download my TikTok videos. Okay, so in order to turn off this option, just tap on this allow download. Okay, and here we have the allow download screen opened, and here we have two options, enable or off. Okay, so in order to disable this, just tap on this off. So let me tap on this off. You can see this option is now enabled. Okay, you can see the check mark next to this. Okay, so it's now done guys, and if I go back, okay, you can see here we have this allow download, and here we have this option turned off. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily stop others from downloading your TikTok videos on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.